is like the miniature Stubby. I already hear it. Alright, so we just finished installing the aFe Takeda intake. It was pretty straightforward. It should have been done in under 30 minutes, but it took closer to an hour for multiple reasons. One, on the stock air box. I took a photo, maybe I'll pop it on the screen if I didn't refer to it already. There was like a little grommet that was stuck on the back of the airbox holding a wire that I couldn't get loose. And then I probably spent way too much time trying to get the push thing. I got bugs everywhere. I've been bit up like crazy with mosquitoes. Anyway, as you can see here, Stubby. We got a mini Stubby. So we're gonna listen to this in a second. That's why I got this camera right there. But yeah, when I got the car, that was the one thing it didn't come with, an antenna, which I honestly don't care because I don't listen to the radio. But I figure this is like the miniature Stubby. I already have a Stubby on the 124, but this is like the Stubby Jr or something. Let's see, can I open it with one hand? Wow, look at that little guy. That is puny. Here, let me go righty. I figured I didn't want to get too much rain, even though I don't think it goes anywhere. Look at this little guy. I'll put a link in the description. I got it from Amazon if anyone wants to pick it up. It's solid feeling for such a small guy. But yeah, can't see what I'm doing. This is just so it's not open. I don't even need it because I don't listen to the radio. Yo, these bugs are really pissing me off. They're all over the place. So if anyone's curious, that's with the Stubby, I don't even know, Junior, Mini, this, that. Pretty soon we're getting new wheels. Stay tuned. Subscribe if you haven't. I like it. Pretty small. But I think we're warmed up enough. We're gonna turn on. Let me just put this down. We're gonna turn this in. And then we're gonna go in the car and listen to it. I know I have the air on because it's hot out today. Sweating. I'll shut it off though. Get out of here. Seriously? Get the fuck out of here. Ugh. Oh, this AC feels good. My legs are so itchy. I should have just put long pants on and sweated it out. I got so many bug bites. All right, let's shut the AC off, shut the window, Got the other camera going. Alright, so we just finished installing the aFe Takeda intake. You probably already saw some sound clips of it just revving, stock airbox, aFe Takeda intake or whatever. I went with this one because I owned an S2000 in the past. I went with the K&N. Sounds awesome as people say, but it is very open element. It's got a little barrier. This thing was a pain to get the shielding around. Anyway, we're gonna put the top down. We're gonna see how this sounds. GoPro, fuzzy windscreen on. You could probably see it unless I zoom in, who knows. I'm just going very, very quick before it gets dark. Check out drivendistrict.com for some performance parts and merch. We're just gonna see how this thing sounds. I have another video with the top down with this very similar setup. Audio coming out the GoPro. So we're gonna see what it sounds like, and then we're gonna just compare. Second, third gear, we'll do a couple rips, nothing too crazy. And then in another video, I'm gonna mic up the engine. I'm gonna put in a little clip right now. What you just heard right there was the stock airbox mic'd up, and then we're gonna do it with this another time. Right now, you're literally just hearing GoPro sound coming out of, oh yeah, you gotta put this up, I forgot. You're just gonna hear the GoPro sound coming through. I forgot, I always look at my phone. If I turn my phone black, then I look at the GoPro. Yeah, so we're gonna keep the windows up, so that should help the wind noise not be as bad. And we should hear what it sounds like. Yeah, just interior, you know? Just how it sounds like inside. The fuzzy windscreen should do its job and allow us to pick up some good audio. We will see. Oh yeah, I already hear it. Super throaty. Wow. Outside of VTEC, super throaty. All right, let's do a little VTEC crack, third gear. Oh yeah, that is super noticeable. Super noticeable, which is not surprising. People say the K&N is still a lot louder because the aFe still has, it's still like enclosed to a degree, and that's why I got it. I'm hoping it being a little more enclosed is gonna help it not heat soak. Today's like super humid, 78. Car says 78. Yeah, 78 with the phone too. So it's hot today. It's humid too, very, very humid. That's the problem. Is gonna make me not want to put an exhaust on here because that sounds so good. I forgot how good these engines sound with an intake. It roars, like no joke, for a freaking little 4-cylinder 2.2 liter, this being the AP2, it roars. You literally hear that roar. That sounds really nice. Now, as far as, oh, is there a performance gain this? I doubt it. If there is, it's not something that my butt dyno is feeling right now, especially because it's a lot hotter and humid today compared to the other days. I did it because in due time. I would imagine when you start doing a bunch of different mods, you know, I'm planning on doing a full catback and Burke high flow cats, 2.75 inch full through. I want to put the Vibrant Ultra Quiet Resonant. Yo, this is crazy. There's an ice cream truck. I've like never seen an ice cream truck in my town since I was a kid. This is nuts. Anyway, yeah, full 2.75 inch, and I'm gonna put the Vibrant Ultra Quiet Resonator in place of the NVIDIA one, and then I don't know, maybe tune it down the road. But this just sounds awesome. That sounds great. But I did a 4200 before. I'll link it up here. We're gonna do it again, and we'll see if it actually is quicker. That'll be a good, you know, way to tell. All right. I think we chirped second and third, and we heard that VTEC crack kicking in like every gear there. Super throaty. That actually feels strong. I'm not gonna lie. I just said like I don't feel it, but that feels strong. Not gonna say it's quicker. I don't know. I didn't bring the drag yet. I didn't do nothing. This is just a quick little first drive, but that feels really strong. Very smooth. Also means I didn't forget to plug anything in, or something will be going a little sporadic probably. That sounds great. Got cars in front of me, so can't hit VTEC right now, but maybe we'll drop it into second after this turn and then do a little bit. That definitely feels stronger up top. Not gonna lie, up top that feels strong. Wow. Even mid-range now. This is an older car. I don't think the ECU like takes time to calibrate, but this feels really good. I don't know, maybe it does. I didn't feel it right away, but for some reason right now this feels really, really good. Good. All right, if you guys enjoyed this video, subscribe for more, give it a like, comment below, let me know what you think. We got plenty more mods coming for the car, lots more videos, lots more testing. Stay tuned.